Okay, G-Mac here. I thought I'd talk about my boat here today while I'm fishing on lake. I have a 55-pound thrust Minn Kota trolling motor. Transom mount, just kind of easier setup for this boat. And I power it by basically two deep cycle batteries. And there's about 2,000 amps there. I have them hooked up in series. And then they're kept charged by a Genius Gen 1 one bank 10 amp charger, and it's a maintainer, and it will maintain these batteries and keep them in good shape. All when I'm done fishing, I go back, plug them in, and this will maintain my batteries. A couple more things here. I do have a live well. We installed that on this boat once we redid the new floor in here. I did not do that. I seeked out a retired gentleman that put my floor in here, and this is a 73 Glastron, so I think it's a very nice boat yet. Everything's in good shape. You can see my two fish finders. I have one that I droop out the side, and then the other one's out the back. They are definitely off. One of these days I will get another transom, through transom transistor, to so that way we can see some fish and have some like that right there. Actually, it still picks up fish, so I'm not too worried about the depth. But throughout the whole boat I have fishing rod holders and stuff, so you can just sit back, relax on the seats, and you hook a fish. The rod isn't going to come out. It also has a 50 horse Johnson on it. I have not run that in years, ever since I've used the trolling motor. But it's a 16-foot Glastron. It's a 1973 model. It works very well for me. Down there you can also see the live well pump. The gentleman that installed the floor for me actually gave me the tank, and I incorporated my seats with it. So that's a little tour. I am going to eventually mount a solar panel somewhere on the boat to help maintain the batteries as I'm because as you can see, there's the sunshine. As I'm fishing, to help get some free energy back into them. So, but it's very enjoyable. I enjoy fishing. Got some storage up there. I keep my rods here on the side. I keep a variety of rods, and actually over there a fish just jumped. So, but just thought I'd pass that along to you. This is G-Mac. Like, subscribe. Please keep on viewing my videos. Comment. Give me ideas. And we're going to keep on fishing.